Hi guys, my name is Kumar Babu. I came from Anantapur RDT School for Inclusive Education in Andhra Pradesh.
Now he is doing a circuit. He is a total blind guy. He didn't see the Arduino board, but he'll put any connection in any place. Can you come one boy or girl? Come. Can you ask connect into 7 or 8? Ask.
Connect into the 7th pin.
Is it 7?
Yes, it is correctly 7.
Next, anyone want to come? One more. Tell him to connect some other. One or two.
2.
Digital pin number 2.
Correct.
Sir, you want to come? Which number you want? 5 volt.
Correct.
Got it? Anyone? Last. Anyone?
7. Ground. It is correct. Thank you for all.